Hi, good day everyone. Welcome to UMC349. For the UMC349, it has two topics. The first one will be the information systems in global business today, and the second one will be the global e-business and collaboration. Under the first topic, they have three subtopics. The first one will be the role of information system. The second one, information system perspective, and the next one, contemporary approaches to information system. After you completing the first section, the first subtopics, you should be able to explain the role of information systems in business. Information systems and technologies are the transforming the global business environment. In 2019, the global spending on information technology and IT services was nearly 3.8 trillion USD. And in addition, the firm also spent another 160 billion USD spent on management, the management consulting and services, and it involved the redesigning firms' business operation to take advantage of new technologies. In fact, most of the business value of IT investment derive from this organizational management of cultural changes inside the firm. Okay. This figure shows that between 1999 and 2019, the capital investment in IT consisting of IT equipment, the software and research and development accounted for over 40% of US total capital spending, and it is a similar pattern has occurred globally. The next one is what is new in management information systems. Okay, actually it's plenty. Okay, in fact, there is a whole new world of doing business by using the new technologies for business and for business managing and organizing. There are 5 changes in information system. The first one will be IT innovation. The next one, new business model. Number 3, e-commerce expansion. Number 4, management changes. Number 5, changes in firms' organizations. Okay, we look the first one, IT innovation. A continuing stream of IT innovation is transforming the traditional business world. It emerges the cloud computing, the big data, the Internet of Things, the growth of mobile digital business platform. They use the artificial intelligence and machine learning, and also the using of social networks to achieve the business objective. These innovations enable the entrepreneurs and innovative traditional firms to create a new product and services, develop the new business model, and transform a day-to-day conduct of business. The next one is new business model. For instance, the emergence of online video services for streaming or downloading, such as Apple TV, Netflix, and Amazon, has forever changed how premium video is distributed and even created. For example, like Netflix, early 2020 has attracted more than 167 million of subscribers worldwide, and it called the Internet TV revolution that time. Okay, the next one is about e-commerce expansion. The e-commerce is changing how firms design, produce, and deliver their product and services. It also has reinvented itself again, disrupting the traditional marketing and advertising industry and putting the major media and content firms in jeopardy. For example, we have like YouTube, the Facebook, of course, the Apple Music and Netflix. Number 4 is management changes. The management of business firms has changed. Okay, with a new mobile smartphone, high-speed wireless Wi-Fi network, and also the tablet. Okay, and the managers also becoming more mobile. They started to use the social network, collaboration tools, and the business intelligence applications accelerate. The next one is changes in firms and organizations. For this one, changes in terms of they're more collaborative, They had the greater emphasis on the competencies and skills. They use the high speed and more accurate decision making based on data and analysis. The more willingness to interact with their customer by using the social media, and it shows better understanding of the importance of IT in creating and managing the business firms and other organizations. The next one, we will look about the globalization challenges and opportunities. Okay, what does globalization have to do with management information system? Actually, it is a simple answer. Everything. Okay, everything. Uh, the globalization, the how they use, okay, the emergence of the internet, okay, especially into the international communication system has drastically reduced the cost of operating and transacting in the global scale. And also the customer can do their shopping in a worldwide marketplace, obtain the better price and quality, and reliable 24 hours a day. Okay, and the firms also can produce the goods and services on a global scale, and achieve the extraordinary cost by reduce in finding the low cost supplier and manage the production facilities in other countries. And when they use the internet, okay, the internet service, any internet service such as like eBay, Google, they are able to replicate, okay, whatever the business model they have and services in multiple countries without without having to redesign their expensive fixed costs, especially in infrastructure. So overall, the information system enable and support the globalization, and it happened until now. Okay, the next one, we will look about the emerging digital firm. The digital firm is a significant business relationship with customers, supplier, employees are digital, enabled, and mediated. It has core business process, and in the business process itself, it is a set of logically related tasks and behavior that organizations develop over time to produce specific business results, such as they can develop a new product, they can create marketing plan, and hire the employee. And also in the digital firm, they have the key corporate asset, such as the intellectual property, the core competencies, and financial and human asset, and everything will manage digitally. So in digital firm, they offer the flexibility. Everything is flexible in terms of time and also space. Space, it can be globalized, and the time it can be conducted continuously, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Okay, the next one is strategic business objective of information system. The strategic business objective of information system is a growing interdependence between ability to use the IT and able to implement the corporate strategies and achieve the corporate goals. Actually, in a business objective, there has 6 strategic business objective. The first one is of operational excellence, new product services and business model, customer and supplier intimacy, improved decision making, competitive advantage, and the last one is survival. Okay, the first one is operational excellence. It improves the efficiency result in higher profits. Information system and technologies will help to improvise the efficiency and productivity. For example, we have Walmart in US and Lotus in Asia. Okay, number 2, we have new product services and business model. The information system and technologies enable firm to create new products, services, and business model. So what is business model? It is how the company produce, delivers, and sell the products and services, such as Apple. Okay, Apple will transform the old business model, especially in the music distribution. Okay, before this, they used the tapes and CDs into an online and legal distribution model based on their own technology platform. So they started to introduce the iTunes, the iPad, and the iPhone. Number 3 is about customer and supply intimacy. customer is who are served will become repeat customer who purchase more. That they need to make sure that they are the return customer. So for example, here we have Mandarin Oriental Hotel. So this hotel operated in Asia, in Europe, and of course in America. So they use the information system and technologies to achieve the intimacy. So how they did, okay, they use the computer to keep track of their guest preferences. For example, the check-in time, the TV program. So when the customer arrive, okay, at one of their hotel, okay, the system will automatically change. So especially according to the the room condition, so they will dimming the light, set the room temperature, and select the appropriate music according to their customer digital profile. Okay, and for the customer, okay, they must have the close relationship with the for the supplier. They must have the close relationship with the supplier in resulting the lower cost. Okay, for example, we have JC Penney. So they use the system to reduce the inventory cost and to ensure that what customer want are actually on the shelf. Okay, so this is for the customer and supplier intimacy. Okay, number 4 is improve decision making. So without accurate information, managers might use the forecast, best cases, and luck. And it will result the misallocation of resources, inventory, and employees. So the real-time data improve the abilities of managers to make decisions. So we have the example, Privi Organics Limited. So this is the company, it is the Indian company that manufactures supplies and exports the the aroma chemical product worldwide, and they use the Oracle Human Capital Management System for real-time insight into the individual employee information. So in this system, they include the performance rating and compensation history. So from this system, it will help the managers to make faster decision making, especially in terms of promotion, by integrate all the employee records across the organization. Okay, number 5 is competitive advantage. Okay, when firm achieve one or more of the business objective, the 4 business objective, the operational excellence, the new product services and business model, the customer supply intimacy, and improve decision making, it will enhance not enhance, it is the chances they have already achieved the competitive advantage. So for example, who get, and we know they have the competitive advantage is like Apple, Walmart, and also the UPS delivery. And the last one is the survival. Business may need to invest in information system out of necessity. Okay, it is simply the cost of doing business and keeping up with the competitors. Sometimes these necessities are driven by industry level changes. For example, like ATM, automated teller machine. So automated teller machine, they introduced in London in 1967, and until now, okay, virtually all large banks around the world have regional ATMs and linked to national and international ATM network. Okay, so that's all for the first subtopic for topic 1. Thanks for watching, and I will see you for the next video for the subtopic 2. Thank you and have a good day, everyone.